Math Heuristics. The method of solving part of the problem. Let's look at an example. Jenny gave 20% of her take-home pay to her parents. She spent 4/5 of her remaining take-home pay and saved the rest. If she saved $800, what was her take-home pay? We use 5 units to represent the remaining take-home pay. She spent 4 units. 5 units minus 4 units equals 1 unit. 1 unit was saved. This 1 unit equals $800. 5 units equals 5 times $800, which is $4,000. After giving 20% of her take-home pay to her parents, 80% remains. $80 equals $4,000. 1% equals $4,000 divided by 80, which is $500. 100% equals 100 times $500, which is $5,000. Her take-home pay was $5,000. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.